Hi everybody, Bob with Knives Town here. Today we're going to take a look at a Boker Magnum knife. This model is the Arabesque, and it's, like I say, it's a Magnum, which is the value-oriented line of knives from Boker. Ships in plastic sleeve. If you're familiar with the Boker Lord, this knife shares a lot in common with that knife, except just on a smaller scale. Plus it has a few other features that the Lord doesn't. But it is just a everyday carry pocket knife. And you're probably looking at all the etching there on the bolsters. It's nice. It looks nice. Those are leafy vines and leaf type patterns on all four bolster areas. The knife opens with a nail nick. And it is a lock-back knife. Specs on this knife: blade is 2 5/8 inches. That's 440 stainless steel. Again, I said a back lock. The handle is made of burl wood, and it's held on with brass pins. The weight is 2.5 ounces. Yeah, obviously it's just it's a knife made for, just small, medium-duty domestic cutting chores. It has some class to it, some distinction with the burl wood and the etching. The blade is a very usable utility shape, a clip point. Probably the most common shape made. It's good for cutting, slicing. Good on piercing. It's just a good all-around use blade. The back lock is nice and stiff. It's got a good stiff spring to it, and you can see, if I can zoom in, you can see where the grab is there. There. The wood is attractive, and the etching really adds some flavor to it. It does have a lanyard hole here. The fit is nice. It's well put together. It's well constructed. This is the kind of knife that you could choose for a gentleman's knife, or for the special occasion knife. It could go. I wouldn't say it's gender specific. A man or woman could carry this just the same, pocket or purse, either one. Closes up nice. The blade centers perfectly. It feels solid, it just feels like a nice solid little knife. It's traditional with the nail nick. It's a fine little knife. For the money, it's a great deal. That's the Boker Magnum Arabesque. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.